Okay.
And here's a backpack. Ooh, this is a piece of hair. This is Obi-Wan Kenobi. You know him from Star Wars.
Yeah. You can't put it that close.
And here's this guy. He has a gun on top of his head. This is called the Halo guy.
Oh yeah.
He's green. He has a mask on to breathe. This is a droid from Star Wars. He has a big gun, really big.
Mm-hmm.
And same as this guy, but he's a bad guy from Star Wars too. And I'm about done. And here's this guy. He has a lot of weapons. He has a lot of weapons. Rocket launcher on his head, and a rocket launcher in his hand, and a gun. And I'm almost done. This guy has a backpack too. And this is a black hat, and here's the helmet. So that's, I have one more to do. Done.
Cool.
And this is his gun.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the end.